Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your account SID and auth token for Twilio and how to integrate it to your AEvent account. To start, please log into your Twilio account. From the main page, click on your account from the upper left-hand side. Scroll down. Under Account Info, you'll see your account SID and auth token. Please save them somewhere you can easily access like Google Sheets or Notepad. Once you have these information handy, we can now proceed integrating Twilio to our AEvent account. Let's log in to AEvent. Let's go to Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Look for Twilio by typing it in the search box. From here you can see the timeline actions you can create with this integration. For now, let's click on Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the integration. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. Here, I'm typing Twilio 1. Click Connect. You will now be prompted for your account SID and auth token. Once you have these information entered, click Continue. Please select your Twilio number and click on Submit. We have successfully added Twilio to our integrations. Now let's test it. Go back to the integrations page. Look for Twilio. Now click Test. We have successfully established a connection between Twilio and AEvent. That would be all for this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to support. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.